Good morning, Namaskar, Chartered Accountants. I'm going to tell you a very surprising fact in this video. The surprising document, which is engagement letter on income tax return. Yes, I'm talking about engagement letter on income tax return. I know all practicing chartered accountants are very much familiar with taking engagement letter on auditing assignments. As per SQC 1 and SA 210, engagement letter is a document which sets out a responsibility, scope of work and limitation. So I'm telling you all the chartered accountant that taking engagement letter on income tax return assignments can be very useful for you. Yes, so I'm just showing on my screen the format of engagement letter. So guys, how it works? Basically, in today's time, income tax department is also going behind the chartered accountant for disclosing facts in the income tax return. And in case you don't have any documentation about the disclosure made, so he can assessee can turn the table to you that whatever disclosures has been advised by the chartered accountant. So to set out your limitation and the responsibilities, engagement letter works you. It limits your liability to the fees you have taken, because this is an engagement letter that is signed by you and your client. Also set an annexure mentioning the key details like the breakup of salaries, the major disclosures, especially in case of the foreign assets and liabilities. So in case if he is not disclosing anything, that letter will help you to showcase that whatever the disclosures prescribed in this ITR form are being confirmed by the SSE and has been told by SSE to you. So you are just acting as a facilitator filing ITR form. So I hope you have liked this video. If you want to have this format, you can download from the description link. I have given a editable file link. You can download it from there. It is a Word document, and start taking in your practice. I know for this first year, deadline is approaching, 15 September is approaching, and today is already 8 September. But taking it in your practice in day-to-day life, it will make you easier. Also, client will not sign